everyone notices that as they use their fishing rods more, you get more and more nicks and scratches and holes in the cork of the handle of your rod. And it's a good thing to really stay on top of those because the more you get, obviously the weaker the cork becomes, and you can actually get bigger splits that turn into a bigger problem. So there's a really quick way that I use to manage these and fill them in. I use some cork shavings or cork dust. I build a lot of fishing rods, so I'm sculpting handles, and it kind of makes life a bit easier because I have it kicking around. If you don't have some of this, you could take an existing rod you have, file it down until you get enough. I've also used a wine cork to get it from. Just keep sanding it down until you get this fine powder. So anyways, cork powder. And next you need a glue. I've used a wood glue in the past. I'm actually a fan of just plain old white glue. So kind of do a 50-50 mix somewhere in there if I get this glue going here. So yeah, put the two together. I just got it in a little plastic cup here. Tends to work well, disposable. Stir it up. Some more glue, I think. All right. So it gets into a paste that you can start to mold a bit. There we go. So, and then it's simple, grabbing a glob on your finger and just rubbing it into all the gaps and divots on your grip. I usually leave it on a little bit thicker, make sure it's all kind of packed in there. Yeah, leave it on a bit thicker. Wait for it to dry, and then you just take some sandpaper to it and make it all nice and smooth again. Nice. Just kind of start with a coarser grit and go down to a fine grit, just like wood, and you'll be good as new and back on the river. Thanks a lot.